Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the 2023 Porsche Panamera. This car is a mid-full-sized luxury car manufactured by Porsche, and it's been around since 2009. The Panamera is known for its combination of performance, luxury, and comfort, and it's one of the most popular luxury cars on the market. What's good about the Porsche Panamera? There are a lot of things to like about the Porsche Panamera. First of all, it's a very fast car. The base model has a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine that produces 330 horsepower, and the top-of-the-line Turbo S model has a 4.0-liter twin turbocharged V8 engine that produces 620 horsepower. The Panamera is also very agile and handles well, even in corners. In addition to its performance, the Panamera is also very luxurious. The interior is well appointed with high-quality materials, and the seats are comfortable even on long drives. The Panamera also comes standard with a long list of features, including a panoramic sunroof, a Bose sound system, and a navigation system. What's not so good about the Porsche Panamera? The Porsche Panamera is not without its flaws. One of the biggest complaints is that it's not as fuel efficient as some of its competitors. The base model gets an EPA estimated 22 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway, and the Turbo S model gets an EPA estimated 16 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. Another complaint is that the Panamera can be a bit pricey. The base model starts at around $85,000, and the Turbo S model starts at around $185,000. Overall, I think the Porsche Panamera is a great car. It's fast, luxurious, and comfortable. However, it's not the most fuel-efficient car on the market, and it can be a bit pricey. If you're looking for a fast, luxurious, and comfortable car, the Porsche Panamera is a great option. However, if you're looking for a fuel-efficient car, you may want to look elsewhere. Here are some additional details about the Porsche Panamera. The Panamera is available in 4 different body styles: sedan, Sport Turismo, Executive, and Executive Sport Turismo. The Panamera is available with a variety of engine options, including a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6, a 4.0-liter twin turbocharged V8, and a plug-in hybrid powertrain. The Panamera is equipped with a variety of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a blind spot monitoring system. The Panamera is a popular choice for both luxury car buyers and performance car enthusiasts. Thanks for watching my review of the 2023 Porsche Panamera. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more car reviews.